The Huawei Pura 70 delivers a compact yet premium flagship experience aimed at users who prefer powerful smartphones without oversized dimensions. It features a 6.6-inch OLED display that offers rich colors, sharp detail, and smooth visuals, making it well-suited for everyday media consumption and productivity. The phone's glass and metal construction gives it a refined high-end feel, ensuring durability while remaining comfortable to hold. Despite its relatively smaller size compared to many modern flagships, the Pura 70 does not compromise on performance, as it is powered by Huawei's optimized Kirin processor, which provides smooth operation, efficient multitasking, and reliable responsiveness for daily use. The strongest highlight of the device is its camera system, which stands out with excellent dynamic range, impressive low-light capabilities, and Huawei's distinctive color science that produces balanced, natural-looking photos with pleasing tones. This makes the Pura 70 particularly appealing to photography-focused users who want consistent image quality across different lighting conditions. Its compact form factor also allows for easier one-handed use, enhancing practicality and comfort, especially during extended daily use. Overall, the Huawei Pura 70 successfully combines premium design, dependable performance, and flagship-level photography in a more manageable size, making it an ideal choice for users seeking top-tier camera quality and refined build quality in a smartphone that remains easy to use, practical, and well-balanced for everyday life.